Retiring young and wealthy is the ultimate dream of everyone. While some are content with merely dreaming of this potential, others are passionate about making it a reality. If you are the latter, then you should watch this video. You can retire as soon as you find a way to replace your employer's income or generate sufficient income to support your lifestyle. Therefore, passive income streams are great for retirement. In retirement, you should strive to spend as much time as possible on leisure activities and little time on work or tedious tasks. You can produce passive income through savings, other assets, and intelligent time management. Before you begin, it is essential to identify your present financial condition and your financial objectives. How much money can you afford to invest? And what are the average returns you anticipate? Sometimes the safest and simplest passive income sources do not generate much money immediately. Today, we will discuss the best 8 ways to earn passive income to help you retire early. Stick with us to the end of the video to have a solid plan on how to invest wisely for the goal of retiring early and retiring rich. Hey fascinating people, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and comment "I subscribe" so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Idea number 1. Invest in REITs. Real Estate Investment Trusts, or REITs, are posh names for companies that own and manage real estate. A particular legal structure allows REITs to pay minimal or no corporate income tax if they distribute most of their profits to shareholders. Like any other corporation or dividend-paying stock, REITs can be purchased on the stock market. You will get whatever the REIT pays out in dividends, and the best REITs have a history of increasing their payout each year, so you can build up a steady income stream over time. As a result of the fact that REITs must pay at least 90% of their taxable revenue in the form of dividends, they can offer excellent dividend yields and stable passive income. Fundrise, a REIT, is a good alternative if a $3,000 minimum is too much for you. An e-REIT is available from Fundrise. You may get your feet wet in the real estate market for as little as $500 if you invest in an e-REIT, which is crowd-funded real estate. A REIT is a way to get some real estate in your portfolio even if you cannot afford to buy a rental property now or in the future. Idea number 2. Dropshipping Store. One of the most effective and lucrative methods of earning passive income is dropshipping. You may locate popular products to sell to customers all around the world by using dropshipping to search for goods on online marketplaces such as AliExpress. Your online store can be stocked with products from a variety of dropshipping niches, like fashion, home decor, or beauty products, if you choose to do so. The beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to develop your own business while giving you complete control over the prices you set for the goods you sell. In point of fact, out of all the opportunities for passive income presented here, dropshipping is the one in which you have the most control over your profit margins. You only need a Shopify account to get started with dropshipping right away. Installing one of these dropshipping applications is the first step in finding high-quality products to sell once you have established an online store. Idea number 3. Flip retail products. Make use of online sales sites such as eBay or Amazon and sell things that you find available elsewhere at prices significantly lower than those offered by these platforms. You will be able to make money off the disparity in the prices at which you bought and sold the item. And you could also be able to establish a community of people who follow your business transactions. Even while sales can take place online, contributing to the strategy's passive nature, you will still need to put in a lot of effort to find a dependable supply of products. In addition, you will need a stable supply of income because you will have to invest money in every one of your products until they sell. You will need a solid understanding of the market to avoid making purchases at unreasonable prices. You will be able to profit from pricing variations between what you can get and what the typical consumer may be able to find, which is one of the advantages of using this technique. If you have a connection that can help you access reduced items that very few other people can find, this strategy has a good chance of success. Another possibility is that you will come upon valuable items that others have neglected entirely. Idea number 4. Create a course. Making an audio or video course, selling it, and then sitting back and enjoying the money that comes in from the sales of your product is one cool method for generating passive income. Online education platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it possible to buy and sell individual classes. You might also take into consideration the freemium model, which involves attracting users with free content to create a following and then charging users for further, more thorough information or for those who want to learn more. For instance, those who teach foreign languages or provide stock picking advice might use this model. The free content serves as a display of your skills and has the potential to attract others who are interested in progressing to the next level. A course can provide a good revenue stream because of the ease with which one can make money after the initial time investment has been made. Idea number 5. Write an ebook. The inexpensive cost of publishing an ebook and Amazon's worldwide distribution can make it a wonderful opportunity for authors to get their books in front of potential buyers. It's possible to write an ebook that is just 30 to 50 pages long, and it is cheap to do so because it relies on your experience. Your subject matter expertise is required, but it could be niche and need particular skills or abilities that few can provide, but many readers demand. Once you have created the book, you can then experiment with alternative names and prices to see what works best for your audience. Using an ebook to promote your other services, such as audio or video courses, other ebooks, a website, or perhaps higher value seminars, is a great approach to get more people to see your content. One of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon is to publish your own ebook, which may bring in more than $1,000 every month. Idea number 6. Cash out refinancing. In a nutshell, a cash out refinance is when you replace your current mortgage with a larger one and receive the difference in cash as a lump sum payment. Consider the following scenario. You currently have a mortgage with a balance of $170,000 and you want to refinance it so that you can acquire a new loan for $200,000. Afterward, you would receive $30,000 to spend on whatever you desire. Refinancing your mortgage can allow you to invest in a second home that could generate a steady stream of income for many years. It could be as basic as owning a single-family home, or as complex as multi-family properties. Regardless, if you are seeking for a way to generate extra revenue without having to work hard, renting out space can be a good option. If you are going to utilize your cash out refinance funds for anything, make sure it is for something that will help you improve your finances, function as a money-making investment, or both. Long-term wealth can be accrued by taking advantage of the equity in your house and using the proceeds to refinance. Idea number 7. Dividend financing. There is no better source of passive income than dividends. Once you have purchased a dividend stock, you can expect to receive payments every 3 months or once a month. That is all there is to it, really. Researching assets, purchasing the best ones, and then collecting payments is all it takes. To get started, you will have to fork over a little amount of cash. If you want to start investing in dividends, your best bet is to begin with an exchange-traded fund, ETF, such as the BMO Equal Weight Banks ETF, TSX-ZEB. These ETFs in the banking industry are diversified, reducing the risk of individual stocks. The high yield of ZEB is one of the reasons it has been selected for special attention. This is a lucrative opportunity with an annual return of $3,870 on a $100,000 investment and a yield of 3.87%. Moreover, the fund's equal weighting ensures that no single stock dominates the portfolio, thus enhancing the diversification benefit. This is an excellent start if you are new to dividend investing. Idea number 8. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Do you fancy yourself a Greece travel expert? An expert in the video game Minecraft? An expert in karate? Create content around an interest you have and monetize it through advertising or sponsorship. Discover a topic of interest, no matter how narrow, and master it thoroughly. You will need to put in some time and effort at the outset to produce a body of work and attract an audience. But once you do, your hard work will pay off in the form of a continuous stream of revenue, as your name becomes synonymous with interesting, entertaining content. Creating initial material and maintaining that information over time can be time-consuming. You need to have a ton of enthusiasm for the product, because that will keep you going when the going gets tough, especially in the beginning when your followers are still trying to find you. You may attract readers by distributing your excellent material on a platform that does not cost a dime. Your chances of becoming the person to follow increase the more distinctive your voice or area of interest is. Solicit patronage and they will come to you. If you're not ready to take the passive income route, be sure to watch our video on high-paying side hustles while keeping your 9-to-5 job. See you at the next one.